Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This week, actually, since you're going to have a midterm this week, for the assignment, I just need you to do, we'll talk about the assignment. You only have to do a couple of these videos that we do. Instead of actually creating something, I'll have you just kind of code some of the sessions that we went through, showing you did it, but I'll get back to that. So it'll be pretty simple this week. But I want you guys to learn something at the same time. So we're going to work with this time, we're going to talk about switching. So let's get into single view app. It'll be our second app, so it'll be our switch app. And hit next. And all right, so we're gonna do something that we've kind of already did, but we're just gonna be adding some new features to it since we've learned some new features since the last time we talked. All right, so let's go and add a switch first. So I'm gonna drag it. Oh, no, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, forget that. I'll just put it in the center the best I can. All right, so I have this here. We will need a label and a button. So label, hopefully it's a lot easier. So I'm just dragging my label in here. So if you have an iPhone or an iPad, these features will look very similar. I'm going to increase the font on this. I'll keep it default, but I just want to make it nice and big. All right. And the other thing that I'm going to need is a button. So let's drag the button over here. I should be able to put that in the middle nice and easy. And I'll make it submit. There we go. And we will also change this guy a little bit bigger. All right, cool. So now what we need to do is what we've been normally doing. Let's get some space here. There we go. And we're just doing the same stuff that we've been doing, so this is going to be pretty straightforward. All right, so let's get and choose our age. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to do control this bad boy over here. We will call it outlet. We need a switch, so we'll call it switch. Wow. Let's see, what would be the name of our app? So let's say that our app was, let's say this was Instagram, so we'll call it switch Insta, and I'll keep it like that. All right, and then we need to do the same thing with label control. I'll call it label 1, or just label, it's fine. Hit connect. Button, we're gonna need a button action bad boy here. So button, this is gonna be, let's see here what we need here. All right, so we have the switch Instagram right here. We have the label, and we need to do a couple different things here. So let's do the button here, and we'll just call it button, and we'll just leave it as is, no action here. But what we need differently is this guy right here. We need an action, so we already have it as just a, we're defining it as an object. So if we click on it and come down here, this is going to be our action, so we'll call it switch. I'll call it switch event. Action event, same thing. So you guys switch, come up here and do outlet or action, I'm sorry. And so what we're going to do, usually we'll do like touch up inside, touch down, but this time we're changing the value to true or false. So if it's selected, it's true. If it's not selected, it's false. So hit connect. All right, perfectly. Good. All right, so let's go get some room over here. It's not everything showing right now, but that's fine. We'll just show what we need to show. So I'll get out of here. Oops, there we go again. All right, so let's go over here, start writing some code. So we have our switch event right here. So now we're going to do a conditional statement. We're going to say if self dot switch insta, great name, huh? Dot on. So we have on for Boolean, which is, you know, is it selected, yes or no? Don't mind the cat in the background. And we're going to say self dot label. And we're going to do dot text equals on, and self dot button, that we did the button, dot enabled equals yes. And now we're going to say, probably did it right here, we say else. That is not right. We're going to do this, and we're going to say self dot label. We could probably just copy and paste here, to be honest with you. So let's do copy. We're just going to do the opposite value, and we're going to put off, and we're going to put no. So let's see if this actually works. Succeeded, so that's a good sign. Where's it at? We're creating a new one. Great. Alright, so boom. On, off. On, off. So when it's off, the button is disabled because we're saying if it's off, button equals no. If it's on, button equals yes. But when we go on, we just turn that to off. So if you ever go to your iPhone app or your tablet, you click on that and it says your services are on or your services are off. So that right there is the other action event. So we use the conditional statements on this one. All right. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks for watching.